Hello everyone, Pedro here with GetResponse. In this video, I want to show you how you can create an autoresponder and also how you can use it. Let's go to Menu, top left, and autoresponders. You'll now see this page here. I don't have any autoresponder created, and I will go to the right and click on the blue button, Create Autoresponder. If you see this notification, means that you have an older account. Just click to use the new email creator. We are now in the configuration page. It's very similar to the newsletter, and we will start with a title. This title is only for us, your subscribers will not see it. I want a welcome message, and I will write welcome to GetResponse. Then you have the linked list. This is very important, as this list is the one that will contain the whole sequence of autoresponders. It also influences your statistics, the footer address and the footer language. So make sure that you select the right list here. And now the different part, autoresponder settings. And as you can see here, on day 0. What does it mean, an autoresponder on day 0? Day 0 means the same day as subscription, meaning that if you subscribe to me today, you would receive this message today. And as I have configured for same time as a sign-up time, meaning that you would receive it right now as well. You can select different options, can be with a delay of a few hours, you select here, or you can send a message at a specific time, for example at 10 a.m. As this is a welcome message, I would leave it open for everybody, and it would be sent at the same time as sign-up. You can also allow the message to be sent on a specific day, or just disable some days. You can disable Monday here. This would mean that even if you are on day 0 on Monday, you would not receive the message on Monday, but only on Tuesday. Make sure that you keep that in mind. And also, as you can now assume, the autoresponder is triggered by a subscription, or when you add contacts to your account manually or via import. Next, you have the from email address and reply to. That's very similar to what we use in newsletters. The from is the one used to send the message, and the reply to, if anybody replies to your autoresponder in this case, you would receive the reply in the email address specified here. Subject line, we will go with something very simple. Welcome to GetResponse. I strongly suggest that you check our blog post regarding it. We have best practices for your email. Make sure to check that. You will learn more about the preview text as well and the best subject lines. Design and content. Now let's go. I'll be selecting a pre-designed template, and I'll go with warm welcome. The editor is exactly the same. I will not go much through it. Although if you want to add some personalization, you can go here at the top and would select first name, for example. This means that your contact's first name would appear there. If you are ready, we just click next. We are now back to the configuration page, and we are all set. Let's click save and publish. Now we are back in the autoresponder page, and here you can see the status is on. You can disable it. This would mean that even if people subscribe and they are in the cycle, there is no autoresponder activated to be sent. We'll keep it enabled, and cycle day, send immediately any day of the week. Meaning that if you subscribe to my list today, you would receive the message at the same time. You also have the statistics here. And now let's say that we want to add more messages to our cycle. I would recommend going to the left and selecting your list here, and then clicking on the grid. Here you have an overview, and you can just select to which day you would like to add your next autoresponder. If you want for the next day, you would just click on one, and it would take you through the same process, exactly the same. The other option would be to just go to create autoresponder here, and the only thing to keep in mind is the list has to be the same sequence. Now it's your turn to create your own autoresponder and to welcome your clients. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you a great day.